Hello dear subscribers. Today I will tell you how you can easily fix your critical process diet error in Windows 10. So here you can see image of this error. So if you see this, what you can do? You just restart your computer. So let's restart our computer. So just go to start, just click on start and choose from here power, click on power and just choose restart when you press shift. It means that after our computer will restart, it will open our restoration menu and we will restore our Windows from restoration menu. If you can't open Windows, you can also try to get your disk with installation of Windows and just or if you have installation on USB flash, just open it from USB flash and just write from installation restoration Windows. You will see this option of restoration, so just run it. So let's wait after our computer will restart and it will show us our restoration menu. So here you can see our restoration menu. So we go to troubleshoot, advanced options, and here you can see system restore. So first you need to try, it's just system restore. It means that you will use a restore point recorded on your PC to restore Windows, and it will automatically restore your system to this point. And if it doesn't help you, or you haven't this point restore point in Windows, you need to open command prompt. So just click on command prompt, and now we just need to wait some time after it will load our command line, and we will enter some command. So now you need to choose your user with administrator rights, and just now enter your password. So just check if your keyboard layer is correct, because it depends on correcting your password. So just please check it. And now you just need to enter one command, cfc slash and scan now, and just click enter. So after do it, you need to wait some time after the system will finish checking your system disk and for corrupting files, missing files, and fixing some problems. So just wait after it will check all your system. So after it will finish, just write exit in command prompt and just click continue. So now our system will restart and it will open Windows, and I hope that without any errors. So I hope I will help you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.